Hi everyone, I'm back to my channel with a new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can format your USB pen drive using command prompt in Windows. First thing first, these are the procedures or the steps that we are going to follow. And please, the steps I'm going to put them in the descriptions below, such that you can also do it those ends. So let's go ahead, and the first thing you have to do is we have to check whether the pen drive is plugged in, and once the pen drive is plugged in into our computer, we are good to go. So let's go and check it. So as you can see, here I'm checking, and here's the drive that we are going to work on. So it's a 4 gig, and it's the drive that you're going to format. So as I said, you can either press Windows R and type in CMD. Then in CMD, we type in disk part as a one word. Prompt us, okay. And now we are in disk part. The other alternative, you can press Windows button and then type in disk part there, and then still you will be prompted. Now we're in disk part. What you're going to do is we're going to list. We can list disk or volume. Currently, you can see we are having two disks. This is my external. Remember the numbering are from disk 0, which is my internal. And you can confirm with the size, it's 500 gig. So we can either select a disk, but I'm going to work with a volume. So we say list volume. Now this is the volume you're going to work on. It's volume 5. The drive letter is Y, as you can see here, drive letter Y. And the file system it was formatted in is NTFS. The name is ABCD, and this is the size. So we are going to format it in FAT32 or exFAT. So we select volume 5. Remember, we are going to lose the data on this drive, but I've already made a backup of it, so we don't need to worry about that. But if you're doing it there, make sure you've backed up your data, because you might lose it. After the drive is selected, go ahead and clean it. As you can see, it's cleaned, it's in RAW. So after cleaning it, we have to create a primary partition. We say create partition primary. The partition is successfully created. We have to activate the partition that we've created active. Now here comes the time of formatting the drive. We've created the partition, we've activated the drive, and now we have to format. Command is format space file system, as I showed you earlier, equals to, this time around I'm going to format it in exFAT. Remember we had formatted it in NTFS earlier on. I'm going to let me just format it in FAT32. FAT32 space. Then we have to label it. So label equals to, it's the name. This is the label here. The name was ABCD, and this time around I'm giving it XYZ space, and then quick hit enter. As you can see, 100% completed. It has formatted. So what we're going to do next is we're going to assign it a disk letter. This time we had assigned it Y, but now let me see which letter is free. Yeah, I'm going to assign it letter E. So this time round we assign letter equals to letter E. It's not free. Yeah, letter E is not free. As you can see, it is being used here. So what we're going to do, we're going to assign it letter G, successfully assigned. As you can see, it has already opened. And to go ahead and confirm what we've done, let's just list volume. And now this is the drive. We've assigned it letter G and we've labeled it, or we've named it. Its current name is XYZ, and the file system we formatted it into its FAT32. But remember, we had it was in this file format. It was in NTFS, as you can see here. The name was ABCD and the letter was Y assigned to it. So we've changed everything, and remember, before we had formatted it, it had some content, and now it's clean. There is nothing like any information in it. So that's it, guys. uh, Support my channel by subscribing if you're new, and if this video was informative to you, remember to click the like button and share it. Thank you. We meet in our next tutorial, probably on Tuesday. Have a blessed day.